let's label this one sound test. Because I thought my sound was all squared away.
Go, go.
Until a fellow complained in my Villain Vampires video that he could not hear anything but the game. So let's go up here. I mean, I suppose I could just talk louder. Here we go. I know, Roach. Come on. Come on, y'all. Okay, Roach, let me off. Come on, let's fight. Let's go. Yeah. Aye. Bad doggy. Anyone else? Come on, I can see you off the side of the map. So anyway, as I was saying before the wolves attacked me, that somebody was complaining they could not hear my voice over the game. So I decided, let's do a sound test. I watched the video back on my TV that I have just hooked up for streaming YouTube. And it was really low volume. I had to admit, he was right. It sounds very quiet. So I listened to it again, or played it again, on my recording setup that I use for recording music. And it sounded just fine. Oops, I'm sorry, dear. And, so anyway... Hey. So anyway, I decided to, watch it again on my, recording setup, and it sounded fine. I don't know, I mean, maybe it's because the TV has, like, a surround sound effect, I don't know. But, so anyway, I'm going the wrong way. I'm trying to get over here. I went the wrong way. So anyway, hey, I can hear it over there. The old hen, she cackled on the fence. Oh, we got some herpes ahead, yeah. But, so anyway, I decided let's run out here to Karamore and screw around a little bit. Come up and do this. So, there's lightning and thunder and stuff. It should be nice and loud and sufficient to drown out my narration here. My play-by-play. And, yeah, we'll see what happens here. God, this is so old school. Reminds me of the good old days.
It's cold. Unnaturally cold. Jumping. It must be saturated with magic.
Yeah. So, what was that? Greenhouse effect, there it is. So, greenhouse effect. Let's see what happens here. I mean, I do mumble. I freely admit I mumble. I don't really consider anything that I have to say, per se, to be
form a triangle,
important.
Affecting the magic aura.
It's not like I'm giving advice or anything in these videos.
Couldn't have been Lambert.
I'm just playing the game and reacting in the moment.
Boulders form a triangle, affecting the magic aura. Thing is, who arranged them? Couldn't have been Lambert. Placed an illusion here.
Yes, someone placed an illusion, yes.
Seeds. Wolfsbane, I think.
Yes, Wolfsbane, yes. What's that? Something loud going on out there.
Dried needles. Juniper or Uja.
So anyway, this video is probably going to be very short.
Rust-eaten sickle.
And in an odd upload cycle.
Cultivated by the mage in residence at Karamore. His magic made it a greenhouse smell for a time. Summer
for a time.
Here.
See, and I always had a problem with it being too dark. Well, a lot of... Oh, letter from the resident
Mage's
page.
notes. Language is a bit archaic, but still intelligible.
Yes. So anyone who's already done this, like I have, already knows basically what this says, but I'll scroll through it a little bit quietly here just to linger. So,
Gotta hit 2 stones with Igni and 1 with Ard. Piece of cake.
Yep, sure is. Do. Hitting things. It's almost like I remembered.
Someone's
Uh-oh.
clearly unhappy with the change in aura.
Well, that's not what I meant to do. Well,
It's gotten warm. Very warm. Even exotic herbs could grow in this temperature.
yeehaw. So, I forgot about the chort. Hey, chort mutagen. So anyway, there's a way you get to chort mutagen. Hey, hey. So when we come back here now in a couple of days, it'll be all grown over and full of herbs. Oh, I don't have the mutagen decoction. And it's probably worn off. Oh no, it's right there. Let's burn down the forest, everybody. Oh yeah. So anyway, I guess I'll fight these harpies. Let's get some hybrid oil going here. Oh, it's augured oil. Hybrid's this one. Come on, boy. I'm here to fight. Oh, that knocked him down. Stop. So can you hear me while I'm fighting these guys? Oh yeah. I'm not talking loudly. I'm just using my normal volume. I'm not expressing. Well, it seems like that was all of them. So anyway, we never did come back for little Bleeder, yet he did come back to the castle. So, here's my attempt at solving one person's problem with the volume settings. See, so let's hope this works. Do. No, the camp's all cleaned up. Eskel must have come back. Picked up a little Bleeder and cleaned things up. So let's go back down to the nearest road sign. Well, anyway, I just wanted to make a little volume test and see how it goes, you know. I hear them bars over there. Hey, look, it's Leo's grave. Well, there's a bear by Leo. 2 bears by Leo. You guys like Leo, huh? Hey, back off, eh? Knock it off. Leave me alone, you crazy bears. I was just minding my own business. Poor Leo. He was such a nice kid.
Leo's grave. A senseless death.
Yes,
Could
it
have been
is.
avoided.
Oh, it's morning. I can go hang out with Siri. Let's take their bear hides, I guess. Well, anyways, that should be good enough for now. Let's see how this sounds.